Namo Namaha. I'm Raghu. I welcome all of you in our Salesforce Guruji YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll learn about record triggered flow. So let's create a new flow. I just click on this new flow button. And from here, we need to select record triggered flow. So first of all, let's understand what is a record triggered flow. So whenever any record is getting created, updated or deleted, that time if we want to execute our logic, then we can use record triggered flow. So suppose in one of my requirement, on creation of an account, I want to create a contact also. So for that one we can use record triggered flow. So let's just click on next, and I want to use free form. So here, if you see carefully, will not get that screen element, because this will be completely a backend process. We'll just use the logic, whatever we want to do. If we want to update anything, if we just want to do anything, we can directly do it from here. So here, in this one, in start, we get some one edit button. If we just click on this one, we get a lot of different options. So here, on created or updated, deleted, we can select any one of them. For now, I just want to execute this code, this logic only and only on the record is created. And there are two type of flow, before the record is saved or after the record is saved. So whenever you click from the UI, you clicked on the save button from UI, that time the record is still not created, means the id is not generated, still this is in process. So that time if you want to execute anything, if you want to just put some validation, that time we can use this one, the before one. And right now, directly we can't add any validation error from flow, but indirect way is available here. So if you want to use any custom logic for validation, you can directly use from here. Then we have the after, the record is saved, means the record is saved in our database and id is generated, so we can use the id if we want to use. For this one, for this example that we will be using, we need to get the account id. So for this one, that's why we'll use this one. Okay, so you can select all the options whatever you want. Now we need to choose one object. So I want to use the account one. Here is the conditions. So I can just like select none, because nothing, I just want to execute my code directly or my logic directly. Or we have and condition or custom logic. In custom logic, if one field should be equal to like something, and the other field like should something, and I just want to put anything, so I can just put or to any kind of logic, I can directly put it from here, so the custom logic will be applied. For now I don't want to use anything. I just selected the none, and I just click on done. Okay, now I want to just create one. First of all, I want to get first of all I want to just get the all the value. So the value will be directly available in a record variable. So if you go to manager, let's just put one create record screen, sorry, create record data element. So here, create a contact record. Okay, so I want to create from separate variables. The object is contact, and in fields I want to give the last name only, and the last name I want to get from the record. This record variable, or like the global variable, will contain all the fields that we need. If you want to go to the parent also, we can. So because right now I don't need anything, I just need the name. So I will just put name, dot name. So the name will be here. If I want to give any other thing, I can directly give it from here. And I think phone is available here. Okay, so the mobile phone field is available here. Or for now just give a phone. We want to get from the accounts phone number. So I just click on record, then phone. The phone number will be here. So everything looking perfectly fine. I just click on done. I'm just uh, yeah, so run immediately. So after, like, just comparing, if the conditions are there, it will just check the conditions. If the conditions are matching, then it will enter in this flow and it will just execute this one. So for now I just want to save it, and right now I will give create contact from account. Insert anything you want to give, you can directly give it. It's done. Let's activate this one. This is activated. And if I create any account, oh, one thing is we are missing. That is, the account should be like the account should be related to that contact. So account ID, in account ID we just want to give the record dot id. Okay, yes. I just click on done. Now we want to save as a new version. So the new version is selected. Let's just click on save and again activate this one. Okay. Now I will just click on this new. I have this screen you will be not having, but just click on the next one and directly give the account name testing, and in the phone, yes, the phone is available here. So just give anything you want and let's just click on save button. So the account is created. With this one, we can see the contact is also created, and the last name is the account name that we have given there. So this is how we can execute our logic whenever the record is creating, updating, or deleting. Right now in process builder, we can't use the this logic for deleting on deletion of any record, but we can do it through the flow. So this is how we do this one. So from this one we can just select the path, but I don't want to use anything for now. So everything looking perfectly fine. uh okay, great. I want to do one thing, that is decision. So I want to show one thing. Okay, for in this video, this is that's it. So we'll meet in the next video, but before this thing, I you need to complete one assignment, and that will be create a opportunity from account insert. So whenever a account is getting created, you need to create a opportunity. But remember, there are some fields that are required. So the opportunity name will be required, So you can directly give it from the account name, but in the close date you can give the today's date. Okay, and in the stage name you can just select the first one, prospecting. That will be fine. You can use this one as a default value, and that you can directly create the this opportunity record. So that's your assignment. So just follow the steps that I did for this one, and just complete your assignment. And if you face any issue, any question you have, just put in our comment box. Well, happy to answer all of that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, just hit the like button, and we'll meet in the next video. Namo Namaha.